Today we're taking a look at something bold and exciting. The Pagani Design PD-1738, a watch inspired by the iconic Richard Mille style luxury timepieces. The Pagani Design PD-1738 features a striking skeleton dial, allowing you to see the movement working inside. It gives the watch a premium, mechanical feel right on the wrist. The oversized hour markers and hands come with luminous coating, making the watch easy to read even in low light conditions. That red seconds hand adds a sporty, dynamic touch that really stands out. Around the dial, the date markings blend smoothly with the overall design, keeping the look clean and modern. The exposed screws on the case aren't just decorative. They highlight the attention to detail and give the watch a true luxury sport character. The oversized crown makes adjustments easy and adds to the bold personality of the watch. With 50 meters of water resistance, this watch is suitable for daily wear, rain, poolside use, and light water activities. The case is made from 316L stainless steel and comes in a distinctive tonneau shape, inspired by high-end luxury watches. The watch feels solid yet comfortable on the wrist, with a well-balanced 42mm case size, a bold 16mm thickness that adds presence. The sapphire crystal protects the dial from scratches. The case back lets you admire the Japanese Seiko VK63 quartz movement inside. Reliable and accurate for everyday use. The PD-1738 comes with two rubber strap color options, classic black and sporty blue. Both straps are soft, flexible, and extremely comfortable for all-day wear. If you're looking for a statement watch that stands out, this one should definitely be on your list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. And until next time, keep ticking.